There are actually more than 5 things, but the category is of 5. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kohl Karmakar, and on this platform I talk about everything I love for the people I care. And in today's video I'm going to talk about my favorite things, that is free and resources for YouTubers. I love YouTube and I love each and every creator on the YouTube. And obviously the people I care about the most are watching me right now. Here is a list of 5 free resources that I use for my YouTube channel. So the very first and the best thing I can suggest you is TubeBuddy. I'll link it in the description box below, and if you have to take one thing from this video, it is this. So here's my laptop and let's get into the screen of it for better understanding. Okay, so as you can see, this is what my channel looks like, and from here we can access the TubeBuddy dashboard. In the very beginning you can see the tools, then messages, then industry news, and at the very end you can see the milestones, the small milestones that you have achieved in the past and the upcoming milestones that you're going to achieve very soon. So this is something a little motivating. Now coming to the tools, my favorite is Keyword Explorer, and this is the most amazing thing you'll ever come across. So let's say we are searching for a specific type of keyword. So just search for it, and what it does, it analyzes all the data available on the YouTube platform and brings a score for you. So as you can see, this is a very poor keyword to target. It has an excellent search volume but a very poor competition, which means ranking on this keyword is very difficult. Whereas if we make a little change, then you can see by tweaking very little you can get the best Keyword Explorer, and now you know what to title your upcoming video. So this is just one of their coolest feature. Then they have thumbnail generator. You can take a still from your video and add text, and a very basic thumbnail generator basically. Then on this right side we have tag list, video topic planner, best time to publish, etc. Also TubeBuddy has its own mobile application which has its own limitation until and unless you pay for it, but still you can get some very basic features on the mobile on the go. The second feature that I want to talk about is a mobile application, and that is YouTube Studio. In case you haven't watched my video where I talk about how you can run a YouTube channel only using your mobile phone, then you should definitely check it out. I'll link it here and in the description box below, where I talk about YouTube Studio a lot because it is one of the most helpful apps out there. It allows you to do a lot of stuff to your videos, playlist. Basically you can make all the changes from your mobile phone. On top of that, it shows you real-time analytics on your mobile. You can see which video is doing better than which video and plan your content ahead, and so much. Just download the app and explore for yourself. The next category I want to talk about is highly associated with thumbnail making process, because I get this question a lot. How do I make my thumbnails? How do I make this template and all of that? So my go-to application or website is Canva. It has a mobile application which works smoothly. It has a desktop version as well which works more smoothly. Okay, so this is what canva.com looks like, and you can search here whatever you want, or you can simply scroll down and see all the available templates. Let's go to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now on this side you will see ton of YouTube thumbnail, and they even have it category wise, like music YouTube thumbnail, food, beauty, tutorial, travel, etc. So you can choose one. Let's go with this one. This is very popular. I'm sure you have seen it. Now in this photo section you can change it, delete it from here. Just go to uploads. Here are all the pictures that I have uploaded. So this is the picture from my last YouTube video. Position to back, and there we go. And you can add elements like let's say we want a Pinterest logo. That, how easy and cool is that? There is another website I want to talk about, which is Adobe Spark. Obviously Adobe Spark has its own application, but honestly I prefer the website version than the application version, simply because of the cycle it has. This cycle can actually stylize your text in various formats that you did not even know that exist. It just brings that wow factor to your thumbnails. The next thing I want to talk about is my favorite, because I love being organized. I love writing and typing things down that's going on in my head, because I think number one, I forget things very easily, so it's always best for me to write it down. Number two, if it is within me, it just eats me, that I might forget it, so it's always best for me to write it down. If you are one of them, then you should definitely download OneNote or Asana. Both of these works similarly, but OneNote is entirely free of cost, whereas Asana can be upgraded, but the free version does the job. Okay, so this is what Asana looks like. You can start with a new project. You can choose any of these things. Ooh, it looks so cool. Video ideas, yo. Now you can simply drag this. Let's say this is your idea number one. You can drag this and put it here. You can drag this and put it here.
I don't know if this makes it interesting or this is something that attracts you, but this is something that attracts me so much. It is so freaking awesome. I know.
So basically, if you are not an Apple user, you and me are on the same boat. Everything we type on our mobile phone does not magically sync with our laptop. And for that, we need OneNote or Asana. That's that. And my last favorite application I would like to share is, drum rolls please, Pinterest. Now you must be like, what? Pinterest? Why? Trust me, Pinterest creates the most organic reach free of cost. Like literally. All you need to do is create an attractive pin and pin it on your Pinterest. Even if you don't have one follower, it is still gonna be thousands or at least hundreds of people. I'll show you a screenshot of my YouTube analytics where you can clearly see Pinterest is the highest traffic source for my YouTube channel. I know in the beginning Pinterest seems to be a little overwhelming, but once you get a hang of it, you don't need thousands or even hundreds of followers. Trust me. All you need to do is start pinning your own pin and pinning others' pin, so that your account is active and your pins reach out to hundreds or even thousands or even millions of people. Because let's face it, at the end of the day, views matter. So that's all about this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you found at least one resource helpful for your channel. With that has been said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to bring more and more informative videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.